Be love, honey. Honey, you're having a rough time. She's yelling at him and him. Oh, hi. Good. Oh, you burped in that one. Honey, what's wrong? Okay, that's good. Alright, let her go now. Let her be. Oh, bye!